yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running.
All viewers, today I'm going to describe about the accessories which I have put on my Adventure 390. Before I start this video, I would like to tell that I have owned certain higher cc bikes, somewhere around a liter or above, to the likes of Tiger 800 XRX and Multistrada Enduro versus 1000. And after that I've come back on Adventure 390. Why I've done so, I'll describe it sometime else in another video. But I have accessorized this bike in the same manner I had done those bikes also. Main purpose to get this bike was to do touring as well as be on and off road as and when it is required. So without any further ado, I will come on to the accessories which I have fitted. Just one more point, that I will not be telling the cost in the video, just to keep it crisp and short. The approx costs will be written in the description below. At the same time, most of it I have procured from the websites which I have given the link below, and also from the Path Paver store located in Delhi. At the same time, all the fitment has been done by Path Paver store, and I'm quite grateful to them for a fabulous job done. So let's start. Coming on to first the auxiliary light. So here you see this light. This is the Barrack or fragpods. This is made in India and made by the company known as Barracks. That's a Delhi based firm and a superb product. The best part is you can see their size and the make is very nice, and the best part about it is that when I switch it on, it hardly makes any difference to the electric profile or the voltage stabilization of the bike as such. These are BAJA Squadron Pros, again procured from Path Pavers and fitted through them. A fabulous light, much better than Denalli T3s because they are smaller in size and give adequate lighting. The lumens, I'm sorry, I'll not be able to comment, but then they are spot and throw both. And on top of that, I have put the fog covers. I have got the black covers also. Then now coming above that, these are Denalli T3 pods. These are switchback lights, and the front ones have a DRL and also act as indicators. I'll just switch it on and you will be able to see. So here it acts as the indicator, and when indicator is switched off, this comes on as a DRL. So after this I have a headlight guard which is in transparent color, as you can see over here. This is made by Adventure Conquest and a very good product, very nice finish and superb fit. It took me approximately 1 minute to fit it and nothing more than that. Above that, there's the PUIG Windscreen. This was one of the best I found, though on the costly side, but the fit and finish of this product is much better than certain Indian counterparts. Apart from this, I've got Barkbusters fitted over here. As we all know, they are one of the best knuckle guards available. Then this is the double take mirror, and this is from the RAM, the mount. The advantage of this mirror is, firstly, they are wide, and after a fall they will move like this, so they are unbreakable, they will not. Thereafter I have the RAM quick grip to hold on my phone and help me in navigation. Underneath this, this is from Adv Tribe, the GPS mount, and the advantage of this is that you can change the position of this mount on the go. That it takes approximately about 1 to 2 centimeters up and down over here. Then below that, this is the guard for the TFT screen, again by Adventure Conquest, one of the best products made in India. Very nice quality. Thereafter, these are the grip puppies. I like thicker handlebar and also reduces the vibration. Underneath this, on the both sides, I have Oxford heated grips. These are the best aftermarket heated grips available with a warranty of 2 years, and they are in budget. I mean, not as exorbitant as the company fitted products. And the best part is that these grips are the heated grips are very efficient. I have a triple switch in center, it is a neutral. The underneath, when I press it down below, it enables lighting of the barrack pods over here, and when I switch it upwards, then you see it lightens up the BAJA Squadron Pro here, and in center it switches off both. So this enables me to have the light of my choice, and also maintaining the battery profile, battery output. Thereafter we come to the crash guard. So this is from Fantasia. A lot of people have given mixed reviews about it. Till now I'm quite satisfied with it because it covers the whole part of the bike, starting from the tank down till the engine and the side profile. So I found it to be reasonably okay. Thereafter, this is from the Pro Spec along with the bottle holder, a very sturdy bottle holder. I've been using it on all my bikes and quite happy with it. Then this is from Bandido's Pit Stop. This is the coolant guard, just an aesthetic device. I don't find any major use of it, just for the looks. One more special thing I have here is the foot pegs from Carbon Racing. They are adjustable. You can see there is a mount behind. It has got 3 mounting positions. One is this, then the other is on which it is fitted, and the one below this. So it can be mounted on the 3 positions based on your height. So after this we move on to the side stand extender, a very common product. Again, I have purchased from Bandido's Pit Stop. And thereafter this is the Mad Over Bikes center stand. Not too great a product in terms of the ease of putting it on the main stand, but does the job, because once you need to fix the puncture or lube your chain while on the go, this is a good thing to do and the good thing to have. Thereafter it is these are the pannier stays from the ADV tribe, one of the best companies, a Mumbai based company. Very good product. This is modular in design. As you can see, it has got the one frame is over here, then this is there, and I have removed the plate on which was given with it for my luggage. That plate mounts the jerrycans for fuel, so that has been given with this. Thereafter as we come back, here you see is the T3 pods, Denalli T3 pods. These are the rear ones, so they double up as a tail light, an indicator, and also the brake lights, and they are very very bright, so avoids the tailgating also. People do not come very near to you, that's the advantage. And from far off in the foggy conditions they are visible, much better than the stock tail lights. The luggage rack is again from ADV tribe, and I'm quite happy with the fitment, because again this is also a modular product. And so with this I have completed. No, sorry, there's one more thing. This is the Denali mini sound bomb. A very good sound it has got. And this is a brake pedal extender from the Pro Spec. Helps in cross country move as well as in touring. So this part of it you can use in daily life, but once you're standing, this is where it helps you. Overall a good product, because as and when it falls it will not break. That is the advantage of this. Overall this is the fitment which I have on my bike. Regarding the luggage, I will be telling you in the second part.